Images, links and frames in HTML5. Introduction. You have learned in previous classes about HTML5 and CSS, representing data as a list and representing data in tabular format in tables. In this lesson, you will learn about adding images, creating hyperlinks and creating frames in HTML5. Inserting images. Images can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. Images are very important to beautify as well as to depict many complex concepts in simple way on your web page. Images enhance visual appearance of the web pages by making them more interesting and colorful. It can also be used as a hyperlink to connect other pages. Modern browser supports almost all the image formats to be used in a web page like JPEG, GIF, PNG, TIF, SVG, etc. When we insert images in a web page, they can be loaded in the browser in two methods: inline and external. The inline image is displayed when the web page is opened and inserted with a line of text. In case of external, loading the image is not displayed automatically but will show a link on the page. To view the image, you have to click on the link. The img tag. In HTML, images are defined with the img tag. The img tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. These attributes will set the different properties of the image being inserted. The basic syntax of the image tag is given here. img src equals to URL or path of the image. The other optional attributes are alt, text to be displayed when the image is displayed; width, value is pixel form; height, value is pixel form. Let us now see each attribute of img tag separately. src. It is used to specify the path or the URL if it is to be taken from internet of the image. Before you insert the image, you should be well aware of the location, otherwise the image will not be displayed on the browser. Let us take some example to simplify this. The alt attribute. The alt attribute provides an alternate text for an image. Sometimes because of slow connection or an error in the src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader or the user cannot view the image, the text specified with the alt attribute will be listed. For example, height and width attributes. The height and width attributes define the width and height of the image in pixels or in percentage to browser size. It is always suggested that you should specify the width and height of an image. If width and height are not specified, the page might flicker while the image loads. For example, style attribute. The style attribute can also be used to set the height and width attributes of an image. To use style attribute, use the following syntax. img src equals to image file, style equals to width, value, semicolon height, value, semicolon float, value, where the value for the width and height are in pixels or percent and value for float can be right, left, non or initial. The width, height and style attributes are valid in HTML. However, it is suggested that you should use the style attribute. It prevents style sheets from changing the size of images. For example, an example to show use of alt attribute. Another example to show use float value of style attribute. Now let us see if it is possible to put an image in a table cell. Yes, you can always put images as table cells. Look into the next session.